Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Of our Halloween festivities, and today we're gonna go trunk-or-treating with the Tupuleafi squad. Thanks for joining us. Let's go!
So Tupuleafi has a tent here. They're giving out candy. There's literally thousands and thousands of people here. Thousands. Wow. Hey, come on. Oh, jelly and cheese. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
Hold on a second. So they convinced Silhouette to go get candy, and I'm gonna get some chili and cheese. I'm eating a chili and cheese over here. The music is pretty loud. Okay. Alright, Silhouette went off to find the kids.
Wanna love me, well then baby I have to taste all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I only wanna do be okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not
okay. Silhouette is hanging out with some of the kids from the Tupuleafi. I came back to get the truck, and so I could park a little closer. I don't know if you can even see me. It's dark. I tried to film a little bit out there, but it's really fun. There's hundreds of people there. Oh, hold on. There's hundreds of people there, and a lot of the Polynesian businesses and organizations are passing out candy to all kids in the community. Don't have to be Polynesian, so it's really nice of them to do that. So I'm gonna go try to get a closer spot because it's getting windy and rainy, worse than it was earlier. All right, we'll see you later. This might be the end for day 2. Got a couple of the boys here standing out here in front of the Tupuleafi stand. She's all the kids that brought a stick, or Silhouette didn't bring her stick, but she wanted to do a little spinning anyway. You probably can't even see me, so. Yeah, I need to stand on this side. Here, I'll stand over here. Go. Go. Right now, go. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. I know you touched your face. guys do?
Spin.
In the rain? If she's all wet. Okay, that's it for day 2. You ready for day 3 tomorrow?
Yeah. Hey,
all right.
Today's day 3, and today's actually Halloween. And today we're going to the mall, and I'm gonna hang out with some friends. So let's go.
So I dropped off Silhouette and Mom. They're at the mall to meet Silhouette's friend, and Mom will kind of hang off in the far to keep an eye on the little kids. And then next I got Acapella. I don't know if she's on the camera, but she's there. She wants to go to her friend's house that's near the mall and go trick-or-treating with them. So yeah, life of a parent, just running around the kids. All right, we'll see you in a bit. I'm in the mall now, trying to find my wife, Asaka, and Silhouette. We're in the store called JCPenney's right now. Not sure if they have those all over the world or not, but it's just a department store. Basically, the mall is like a safe place for the little kids to trick-or-treat, so that's why people are standing outside of the stores and letting kids trick-or-treat. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off until I get closer and find them. How in the world am I gonna find them in this place? There's so many people around. I think I found them. I'll spy on them. Let's see what she's doing. Huh?
That's the
Should I say hi?
You say hi.
Yeah. So apparently her friend is a male friend. Uh-oh. That's too funny. He's a cute kid though. I met the parents. And I'm gonna go back and sit outside with Maka. I don't really feel that good today, so just kind of feel like blah. So yeah, I'm gonna head back out, and Mommy's gonna tag along with her. Oh, all right. I'll show you this guy right here, this real tall guy. Look how tall he is. It's the devil family, I think. That's one tall guy, or one tall devil. Ooh, Cinnabons. Yum, yum. Ooh. I'm glad you see him. I don't see him. Oh, there they are. Yeah, see Mommy? Say hi, Mommy. Silhouette, I think, is trying to lose Mommy. Oh, look, it's the Joker and the Predator. Hey, nice to meet you. Nice. Have fun. I'm going back out and sit with Maka. All right? I'm going to go sit out with a doggy. Have fun. Yeah. Well, you want me to take the pictures?
Take the picture, yeah.
Sure, I'll take them.
She needs to cut and take it tomorrow.
What's that?
She has to cut it.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll see you later. Oh. He's a lot taller than her, but then again, who's not taller than us? So they got some photos in a photo booth. Let me look at these. I'm just double checking, making sure there was no smoochy picture. All right. So that's it. That's our 3 days. I'm exhausted. I don't feel good. Holiday season, stressful time for the parents with the kids wanting to go everywhere. So, but night one, the Sea Vafi was my favorite. Yesterday was pretty fun too. Today I'm just wanting to sit in the truck. So thanks so much for watching. There may be something after this, or may not. All right, love you guys. Until next time, peace. I'm coming, Maka. Daddy's coming home. Or at least out to the truck for you. So this is of course a Westfield Mall too. They call it the Capitol Mall here. They got Massage Envy, Bed Bath & Beyond up there. All that kind of normal mall stuff.